Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. So today I'm going to explain comparing of adjectives. Okay. You all know that what are the adjectives. An adjective is a describing word which describes a noun or pronoun. Okay. So these adjectives have three types. What we call them here? Compare. We will compare this adjective in three types. How we will compare that positive degree and comparative superlative degree. Okay. Yes. Okay, shall I start now? Look at here first. I'll explain one of the example to you. Okay. Positive degree and comparative superlative. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay. The three degrees of comparison here. We call them degrees of comparison. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Okay. First, I'll explain them. How do we make differences between them? What is positive, what is comparative, and what is superlative? Okay. Positive means the ordinary. Just we are saying, for example, I'm saying this is the chalk piece. Okay. How is it? Okay. The long chalk piece. I have a long chalk piece. Okay. So I have a long chalk piece is positive degree. Here long is positive degree. If I compare two chalk pieces, okay, two pieces of chalks here. Look at here. I have two chalks. Okay. Have you seen what is the size of these two chalks? Is this same? No. Textbook and workbook. First listen here. Then I will talk you about worksheet or textbook. Okay. First listen here. If these two chalk pieces have same size, I will talk to you later. Okay. Just listen here. Then I'll explain from textbook. Then I'll explain workbook. Okay. I'm not saying to open your book now. Just listen here. So here I have two pieces of chalks here. One is long chalk. Second one is short one. Okay. It is long. It is short. So I'm comparing these two pieces of chalks now. Okay. So I have a short chalk piece. I have a short. If I say I have a short chalk piece, this is shorter than this chalk piece, right? If I say I have a long chalk piece, I'll show you this. I say I have a long chalk piece. Okay. Then I have one more chalk piece. So compare these two chalk pieces now. I have a long chalk piece. This chalk piece is longer than this chalk piece, right? This is I say this is a long chalk piece, but this chalk piece is comparing to this. This is longer, right? Long chalk piece longer. If I show you three chalk pieces now, look at here. Is these three chalk pieces are same size? Same size? No. I say I have a long chalk piece now. This is a long chalk piece. Okay. Now I'll compare these two chalk pieces. Okay. So what I'm saying, this chalk piece is longer than this chalk piece. Okay. See here, this is long, this is longer. Okay. I have one more chalk piece with me, which is longest of all. Okay. Comparing to these three, which is the longest? This is longest. This is long, longer, longest. Did you understand? So long is positive degree, longer comparative degree, longest is the superlative degree. Okay. Did you understand here? Look at here. Mr. A is fat man. One example I'm writing. Mr. A is fat man. Okay. Mr. A is fat man. So we see he is very fat. Okay. Mr. A is fat man. So now I'll compare two persons here. Okay. Mr. B is fatter than Mr. A. Mr. A. Now I compare Mr. B and Mr. A. Okay. This is comparative degree. One more I'll write. Mr. C is the fattest of Fattest of the three. Okay. Look at here. Fattest. So here, Mr. C is the fattest of the three. He is fat. Mr. A is fat. What is Mr. B? Mr. B is fatter than Mr. A. But here, Mr. C is fattest of the three. Okay. Mr. C is fattest of the three. So here, this is superlative degree. Okay. First one, we are talking about one person. So it is positive degree. Second one, I compared two persons, Mr. B with Mr. A. So this is comparative degree. Then here I compared C, Mr. C with all other persons. So it is superlative degree. Superlative degree. Okay. Did you understand now? Okay. I write some degrees of comparison here. Here, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Okay. So, positive, for example, tall. Okay. Tall. What is comparative? Taller. What is superlative? Tallest. Okay. For example, short. Comparative degree, shorter. Superlative is shortest. Okay. Next one. Cool. Okay. Cooler. Coolest. Coolest. Okay. Next one. For example, one person is a rich. Okay. Comparing to one person, other person is richer. Richer. So if we compare these two persons, if we are saying the other person is richest person, okay, if we are comparing with these two, the third one is richest. Okay. So next, just I have written fat, fatter, fattest. Okay. Easy. Easy, easier, easiest. Okay. Next. Holy, holier, holiest. Okay. Next. Much, more, most. Honest, more honest, more honest, most honest. Okay. Right. So now open your textbook page number 32. Textbook page number 32. First observe that textbook page number 32 as well as you open workbook page number 42. Textbook 32, workbook 42. Did you open? Have you seen the textbook page number 32? So here written here the second one. The first one is the positive degree. It is used when no comparison is made. So first I have written Mr. A is a fat man. So here I did not compare with any other person. Just I am talking about the one person. Mr. A is a fat man. Okay. So coming to second sentence, I have written Mr. B is fatter than Mr. A. So here I compare Mr. B with Mr. A. So here I have taken two persons to compare their fatness, how they are looking with their features. Okay. So Mr. B is fatter than Mr. A. So next one, third sentence. If we take the third sentence, Mr. C is the fattest of the three. So Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C. If we take these three persons, who is the fattest person? Mr. C. Okay. So comparing to these two persons, he is the fattest one. So that is superlative degree. Okay. Okay, right. Look at here once worksheet, workbook page number 43, bit number 8. Have you written all? Shall I erase? Yes, wait. Write the kind of degree of the adjective in the following sentences. So which degrees of comparison we have to write? Look at here the first sentence. The mango is sweeter than the pineapple. We should write the degree of comparison, which degree it belongs to. Okay. So first sentence. The mango is sweeter than the mango is sweeter than the pineapple. But look at the sentence. First, we have to find out what is the adjective in this sentence. So, what is the adjective? Sweeter is the adjective, right? Sweeter. So, just I have written fat, fatter, fattest, right? So, this is positive degree. This is comparative. This is superlative. So, in comparative degree, we should add er. Okay. In superlative degree, we should add est, right? Once you observe what we have added here, er. Okay. If you see er in the adjective, if er added to the adjective, that means the sentence belongs to comparative degree. Okay. This is comparative degree. You should write comparative degree. Okay. Comparative degree. You understand? Yes. Next sentence. He is as wise as Salman. He is as wise as Salman. So what type of degree is it? So here we are not comparing. He is as wise as Salman. Okay. So it is positive degree. Wise. Have you seen the wise? Adjective wise. We did not add anything here. So it is positive degree. Okay. Next sentence. America is the richest country in the world. America is the richest country in the world. Okay. So now let's observe the adjective. So what is the adjective here? Richest. What we added with the end of the word adjective here? est. Okay. If we added er, that means it is comparative. If we added est, that means it is superlative degree. Okay. So right here superlative degree. Superlative. Okay. Superlative degree. Okay. Next one. No other planet is as big as a Jupiter. No other planet is as big as No other planet is as big as. Must observe the adjective big. We did not add ER or EST. That means the given degree is positive degree. Okay? It is positive degree. Okay. Next one. Mount Everest is the highest peak of Himalayas. Fifth one, Mount Everest is the highest peak of Himalayas. Okay, look at here, highest peak of Himalayas. So here, once observe the highest adjective. Highest added with EST. Okay, EST means that is superlative degree. Okay, we should write here superlative degree. Very good. With this Ramyasri, very good Ramyasri. It is superlative degree. Okay, right. Next one. If you complete, I'll erase now. Shall I erase? Did it. Okay, ma. Erasing these sentences. Okay, look at here. Next sentence. It is easier to preach than to practice. It is easier to preach than to practice. Okay. Once observe the adjective given here. Easier. Easier added with ER. Okay. That means it is. Come on fast. Is it superlative, positive, or comparative? Very good, Ramesh. It is comparative. What happened to other students? You are not sending. It is comparative degree. Okay. Next one. Iron is more useful than copper. Iron is more useful than copper. Okay, iron is more useful than copper. Once look at here, more useful. This is the adjective. So long adjectives, we should add more to the comparative degree, more to the superlative degrees. Okay, the long adjectives only. Okay, so no need to add er or est. Just we have to add more before the adjective. For comparative degree, we should add more. Superlative degree, we should add most. So here more given, that means the given statement is belongs to comparative degree. Comparative degree. Okay. Next one. Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. Okay. Prevention is better than cure. Let's look at here. Good, better, best. So the given statement adjective is comparative adjective. So what we have to write here? Comparative. Comparing. Okay. Next one. The longest line has a turning. The longest line has a turning. First period, second, not period, period. Okay, the longest line has turning. Once observe the adjective longest. Okay, so here longest, that means it is a superlative degree. Superlative degree. Okay. Next one more we have here. Hari is the most idle boy in the class. Hari is the 10th one. Hari is the most idle man in the class. Okay, so here once observe that most idle. Okay, so this is the superlative degree. Okay, right. Right, fast.
Teacher,
Yes. Ask me. What's your doubt?
day 8 what teacher?
Day 8 worksheet you want. Wait. Okay, look at here. How to use they are. here three words given. Okay, like homophones there. So how to use these words? Their meanings given here. Once observe that first they, D-H-E-R-E, they. Okay, D-H-E-R-E, they means here the opposite of here. So where is the chalk piece? I said where is the chalk piece? It is here only. Okay, here only we can show that the place where it is belongs to. Okay, so where is the chalk piece? It is here itself. So if the chalk piece is there, okay, far away from me, then how I pronounce that? The chalk piece is there. Where is the book? The book is there. Okay, here, there. Did you understand? First, we can here there. That means place. It is showing the place. Far away place. Okay. Next, THEIR, they. THEIR, they means here yours. Okay. For example, I said I have some books. Okay, you asked me that book. Teacher, give me that book. Then I'll say that this book is theirs, not yours. I will give it to them. Okay. Theirs means I'm showing the other person. Okay. Here, they means person, showing the person. Okay. Next, they are. They are means are is the verb here. Okay, they means the other people. Okay, they are. The construction of the they is the they are. Okay, so these three words we have to use in a particular places here. For example, I really don't want to go dash there. I don't want to go there. That means the faraway place. So this day we have to use for the first blank. Okay. Next blank, I am always wrong and dash right. They are right. I am always wrong, but they are. Those people are right. Okay. Did you understand?
Understand, teacher.
Okay. So if you have any doubts tomorrow, I'll clarify that. Okay. Day one tomorrow I'll explain. Now we are running out of time, so I'm going to conclude the class here. Okay. Hope you understand today's class. Thank you. Day one I will explain tomorrow.